Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing of my Eyescream beauty box, or should I say Eyescream beauty bag. They sent my box in a bag this month. That's okay, as long as the insides are fabulous. If you're not familiar, the Eyescream beauty box is a subscription box. It is indie makeup. I have only gotten a few boxes. I committed to a year. I have been enjoying it so far. I want to say it is around $30 a month. Editing Jen will make sure and post it up here, but it's fun. I'm trying brands that I've never tried before. My favorite part is they usually send me a beautiful eyeshadow palette, so if you are an eyeshadow lover like me, definitely keep on watching. Inside the bag is also a card. On this side, it has a thank you, and on the other side, it has January. Throwback Glow Ups 2026 is the new 2016. I did go ahead and peek at the card, so I do already have some makeup on, but I'm gonna try to utilize everything that I got. Of course, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out, including the Eyescream beauty box. Some of the links are affiliate links, so if you shop with those links, I want to thank you in advance because I may make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. The first product I'll pull is this powder from ZC Cosmetics. I've gotten products from them before. This is a retail value $29 setting powder that's going to blur, smooth, and keep shine in check so that your look stays fresh through every plan. It's pretty. It's a cover on the top. Pretty shiny pinky lilac. Very nice. It does come with a puff. Oh, that's a really, really nice puff. And then there is a cover. Okay, and then you pull this paper off and there's a net inside. As I mentioned, have my makeup on, but I did not set with any powder. Feels very finely milled, soft and smooth. Let's go ahead, put some on a puff and set. Feels very lightweight, no scent. The puff is lovely. So far, so good. Next, I have a gloss from Gourmand Girls. I got one of these either in my last box or the box before, but it is a different shade. This is the Trapped Collection Shimmer Lip Gloss. Finish your look with the shimmer gloss that makes lips look instantly fuller and party ready. It catches the light beautifully while adding that just one more layer shine you'll keep reaching for. This retails for $18. This is the shade Southern Beauty. When I was little, I lived in West Virginia for a few years, so I could be a Southern Beauty. I've lived in Virginia. This is what it looks like. It is a very Barbie pink. I see some glitter. The only thing I have on my lips right now is a lip liner, and I just filled my lips in with said lip liner. Not exactly a shade that I would go for. Definitely not my style. The next item, and of course the one that I am most excited about, comes to us from Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. I actually looked online and this is an Etsy shop. I think that is so cool. This is the Grunge Resolution Palette by Ladybug Glow Cosmetics, retails for $49. Kick off the new year with a little edge. This palette is your permission slip to go bold. Expect grungy meets glam shades that make it easy to create anything from a soft wash to a full smoky statement. This palette is the first release of Ladybug Glow's relaunch. They have several new projects coming out soon. Check out their site. You have the shimmer protectors on here. I'll take that off. I see peaches and purples and greens. We have to swatch. Wow, these look gorgeous. I'm going to start with this smoky shade over here that has a bit of a gray tone with it, and I'm using a Unit 309. I'm just going to start with my outer corner. I'll take this little Game Beauty E05 into the same shade and put it underneath at least on that outer corner. Next I'll take my rougher 13, and I just got to go into this purple right here. It's called Chaos. And I'm going to take it into the crease and bring it a little bit further up. So far I am super impressed. I'll go back into that JennDBeauty E05 and bring that same Chaos color underneath. I can't help myself. I have to go into this one. I hope this doesn't ruin the look. But this shade is just so gorgeous. Maybe I'll keep it more towards the outer. Oh, that's so pretty. The shimmers make me so happy. I might bring that shimmer up just a little bit just to blend. Wow. And now I'll go into this brighter purple right here with my pinky. Let's hope for no fallout. This is beautiful. It is a little bit on the flaky side. I don't care. It looks beautiful. And it seems to be adhering nicely. You just have to tap off your finger. And I did start with my eyeshadow primer on. I'm going to take a little bit of this bright purple with that E05. Take it on that bottom third. A little bit of glitter glue would probably help as well. I'm going to add a little bit of black liner and mascara. I still have more products. Be right back. I'm back. I am very pleased with the eyes. Let's move on to the next product. It is a multi-chrome eyeshadow gel from Charmacy Global. I've gotten one of these before as well. Retails for $24. Nothing says 2026 is the new 2016, like a statement eye that shifts colors in the light. This multi-chrome gel gives you instant dimension, one swipe, and you are in full main character mode. Tap it into the center of the lid of any shadow for that one reflective spotlight effect, or where it's solo when you want maximum impact fast. Feels like a jelly texture. It is really reflective and pretty. I don't see anything. Maybe with a brush? Not feeling it, and I do not want to ruin this beautiful eyeshadow look. So let me know, do you have one of these? Have you ever used these? How do you feel about them? It sticks to my finger, but not to my lid. And the last product is a liner, not black. This is the Divine Glide Gel Eyeliner Pencil by Bella Cosmetics. It retails for $5. This gel pencil glides on smoothly for smooth definition. White liner makes your eyes look bigger. Black makes them look smaller, and nude make your eyes look more awake. They sent me white. Looks nice. I do often take a white liner in my inner third, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Go in that inner V. I'm gonna take a little pencil brush and just smooth out the edges. It's not a stark white, but I think I like that better. Before we get into my thoughts, I added up the total of the retail values and it comes up to $96. Did I get my around $30 value? I believe that I did. Its value is right here. This palette, number one. This might be the nicest palette that I've gotten from the Eyescream beauty box. This is beautiful. Be sure to check out this Ladybug Glow because I know I will. The powder, very nice. Did the trick. The puff was nice. The packaging is nice. Happy to have it from ZC Cosmetics. The liner did a very nice job. I like the brightness of the inner corner of my eye. It was easy to apply. It was easy to blur out. Absolutely. And this brand is Bella. The multi-chrome from Charmacy, not a fan. And the gloss from Gourmand Girls. It's a shade thing. I don't mind the gloss. It's not my favorite formula. I can feel a little bit of the shimmer and the shade is just not my taste. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Essence lip oil and see if this purpley shade makes it a little more wearable. That helps a little bit. If you're curious, This is in the shade Midnight Mystery. The lips are a little purple, but I dig it. Overall, fantastic box, very pleased. Again, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below for you to check out if you are interested. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought, or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.